Mfuthe ufikile azilahlela. Aba irregular, aba key player. Why labo abangesibaka chance ukuthi uyeza is comfortable is Chiefs boy the most decorated team la South Africa. Uzositshela ukuthi useza.
Mbokazi mfethu ufikile breakthrough season. Akunakuthi bazokunikeza.
Abulawe Pirates abaqhayi leyo special treatment. Why abafana be Chiefs batho special treatment.
Ushabala kunina lapha. Dala lapha mfethu samfuna umtshela namayo you still settling in.
Maintain and you find that this is really your kid. Uzofila kanjani?
Uzofila ngathi.
Akakusuka lo tabengazi. Yezini, yaxolisa kuthi bengazi ngosho lo muntu obhizi nabantu abanye.
Ngibona nge-music video. Khe wabona music video and you hearing the beat and it's like Atanga mina, there's a music video, but I'm in this song. I don't remember ever shooting a music video. Angikhumbuli ukuthi Atanga sami shoot. Le imene tanga. Ibona i-situation isenza Atanga.
It's a chair carpenter. It's a chair. Oh, uyathi ngimene. It's a